They keep arriving. Delivery miles, new model Range Rover D350. So this is the 350 brake horsepower HSE in Santorini Black. For me, my favourite interior colour, which is called Perlino, which is beautiful ivory. It shows off the interior of these new generation Range Rovers beautifully. It's got the black veneer inside. It's got a sliding sunroof. It's got 22-inch diamond turned wheels. Land Rover side steps from factory and privacy glass. Beautiful car, covered 65 miles. It's ready to go. It'll be priced to sell, and it's beautiful. It's also got the shadow line exterior styling, which is another £1,000. So on the exterior of the car, you can see all this colouring, which is an off. It's like more like a grey colour, which is on the badging all the way around. And they've changed it as opposed to black pack. I think it breaks the car up beautifully. It's the first one I've had with these wheels as well, which is 22-inch. Diamond turned, beautiful. Polished on the outside, and then you've got the centre spokes in that grey colour, which matches the shadow line. It is beautiful. With it being a HSE, the spec is very, very high. You get heated and cooled seats. You get heads-up display. You get full surround camera system. Soft closed doors. Digital adaptive LED headlights. You can see on the steps as well, it says Range Rover. Be careful, because on new generation Range Rovers, people are putting on aftermarket side steps. They're from factory. They were £1,000. Privacy glass in the back, again from factory. And then as we move to the rear, you've got that beautiful sweeping indicators. And when I start the car, you'll see them stunning new LED lights at the back. Inside, look at this interior. So it's all keyless entry. Got the new deployable door handles, and just have a look at that interior. So that is called Perlino, which is a beautiful ivory colour. That runs all the way through the car. You've got two-tone heated steering wheel. You've got adaptive cruise control. Oh, it is beautiful, this car. Still smells brand new, which is lovely. 62 miles. There's nothing better than a new car smell. Love the smell of a new car. So, latest model. So you've got all the new features. So this car I mentioned earlier is a HSE, the big one. Heads-up display, so you can see you've got your heads-up display there. If we move down to this beautiful two-tone steering wheel, so you've got ebony and then you've got that Perlino, heated adaptive cruise control. You've got your new digital dials, which all works off this enhanced section, which is just built out of the dash like that. You've then got the new 11.4-inch larger screen, so you've got that huge screen, which is 3D, and you've got all your camera system all the way through. You've also got the clear sight camera, so you've got the extra camera there as well. If I go back to the home menu and go into seats, this car's a HSE, so you've got massage seats. You've also got, if I go to heating, you've got heated and cooled front seats. And if I go to the rear, you've got heated and cooled rear seats. So massive, massive spec. And then you've got, if you go to front, all your massage features. Look at that. Intensity, direction, the different types. If I go back to the main menu, you've got park assist, you've got your Alexa, you've got all your new features, you've got your cabin lighting. Press that. And then you've got all the new colours, so ultraviolet, all them can be adjusted. If you look down the centre, you've got this beautiful black veneer. So the interior is the right interior. Perlino, ebony, and then that beautiful black running all the way through. Sliding sunroof. HSE doesn't come with a sliding sunroof as standard. That's been paid for as an option. Massive option, and just is a big, big selling point with this car. In the back, let me just show you how luxurious it is in the back as well. So at the moment, if you look at the door cards, you can see cabin lighting, electric rear seats. You've got Meridian 3D surround on a HSE, so you get the extra speakers in the rear. So that isn't, it's an upgraded sound system, and you get that on the HSE. SE model doesn't come with that. Beautiful in the rear. I mentioned and I showed you at the start of the video, this car's got front and rear heated and cooled. If you look at the seat belts, I'll just jump out and show you this. Because it's a HSE, you can see there you're illuminated there as well. On a night they look really, really cool as well. So this is a stunning car. Santorini Black, Perlino, the right wheels, sliding sunroof, privacy glass. And look at them new LED lights at the back, they look superb. Electric folding tailgate, boot space is huge. And then as you move around, there's a couple of new features on a new Range Rover. So if you want to drop the seats down, you can press them buttons there. And then there's an all air suspension button also if you want to drop it. So, delivery miles, new generation Range Rover, Santorini Black, ready to retail, 62 miles. You can come and pick it up. 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover assist. Thank you for watching.